Hi all. So we have seen the steps in organizing, importance of organizing, then formal and informal organization. Now we are going to discuss about the types of organization structure. So there are mainly two types, functional structure and divisional structure. We'll see each one in detail. Functional structure. Here, activities are grouped on the basis of specified functions to be performed. Each function or group of activities is organized as a separate department. A person will be in charge of each department, like department manager. Example, if it is in a manufacturing concern, there are departments like production department, purchase department, marketing department, accounts department, etc. If it is a production department, only in production department, stores, then assembly line, quality control, repairs and maintenance, etc. Hope you understood. So what are the advantages of this functional structure? So advantages, mostly logical and easier form, then it provides specialization and facilitates delegation of authority. What is delegation of authority? We'll see in detail in the next slides. Then better coordination within departments, better supervision and improve efficiency. Then there are some disadvantages also for the functional structure. Less importance on overall enterprise's objectives, then difficulty in coordination with different departments, and restrict the development of managers and leads to inflexibility of employees. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of functional structure. Now about divisional structure. So divisional structure mainly on the basis of two things. One is on the basis of products and next one on the basis of territories. So we'll see on the basis of products. Each major product is organized as a separate division. Each division looks after the production, sales, finance, etc. of only one product. Example, managing director in cosmetics, garments, footwear, etc. Again in garments, production department, finance department, sales department, HR department, etc. Hope you understood. So in divisional structure, under the products, only on one product they will be concentrating. On one product itself, if you take garments as a one product, only on garments again they will be having production department, finance department, sales department, HR department, etc. Now on the base of territories. This is followed by large-scale service organizations whose activities are geographically spread. Banks, insurance companies, transport companies, etc. They have regional offices which are again divided into zones or branches. Example, managing director on northern region, western region, eastern, southern, etc. Again in northern region, they can divide it into branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, like that. Okay. Now we'll be seeing delegation. What is delegation? Delegation is the administrative process of getting things done through others by sharing authority with them. We have seen this meaning, getting things done through others in management. What is management? We have seen that meaning, getting things done through others. Here, delegation means getting things done through others by sharing authority with them. Now, managers share some of his work with his immediate subordinates. It enables the manager to concentrate more on important functions. With the work, manager also passes some of his power or authority to the subordinates. Delegation of authority is based on the principle division of work, which we have seen in detail, all the 14 principles in detail. Now, thus the process or the downward transfer of authority from a superior to the subordinate is called delegation of authority. Now we'll see what are the elements in delegation. Authority, responsibility and accountability. So what is authority? Authority is the legal or rightful power to command or to act. In management, authority is the power of the superior to command the subordinates to get the work done. Authority flows from top to bottom, and authority helps to maintain order in the organization. So if you take the scalar chain, you'll be knowing on the top one person, from him authority is going down. Okay, so more authority with the top management, less authority with the lower management. Now responsibility. Responsibility is the obligation of the subordinate who is assigned a duty to be performed to the best of his ability. Responsibility can be fulfilled only when sufficient authority has been granted. Responsibility flows upward, that is, subordinates always responsible to his superior. So unlike authority we learned it is coming from top to bottom, but responsibility is going from bottom to top. Okay, so the lower management is responsible to the middle management, and the middle management is responsible to the top management. Now accountability. Accountability is being answerable for the final outcome. Accountability is the obligation to carry out the responsibility and exercise of authority in terms of performance. Once authority has been delegated and responsibility is accepted, one cannot deny accountability. So accountability means answerable. So now what are the importance of delegation, or why it is required? For effective management, then employee development, motivation of employees, facilitation of growth, then better coordination, facilitates quick decision and reduces workload. Okay, so there is a comparative view of authority, responsibility and accountability. We learned the meaning. So in authority, there is a right to command, then responsibility, obligation to perform and assign task, accountability, answerability for outcome of the assigned task. Now, authority can be delegated, responsibility cannot be delegated, accountability cannot be delegated. Now, authority arises from a formal position. Then responsibility arises from delegated authority, and accountability arises from responsibility. The last point, authority flows downward from superiors to subordinates. Then responsibility flows upward from subordinate to superior. And the last one, accountability flows upward from subordinate to superior, just like responsibility. Hope you all understood. Thank you.